Welcome to the OpenAI Academy. Today we are thrilled to introduce you to GPT-5, the latest breakthrough in AI language models. In this video we'll explore the amazing capabilities of GPT-5 and how it can revolutionize the way we interact with technology. So let's dive in. Animation of GPT-5 generating text. GPT-5, also known as All-Bot, is an incredibly powerful language model developed by OpenAI. Building upon the success of its predecessor, GPT-4, GPT-5 takes natural language processing to unprecedented heights. Equipped with state-of-the-art neural networks and trained on vast amounts of data, GPT-5 is capable of understanding and generating human-like text with exceptional accuracy. Explainer animation of GPT-5 architecture. The architecture of GPT-5 consists of multiple layers of transformer models, each with billions of parameters. These parameters allow GPT-5 to capture intricate details, context and nuances in the text it processes, resulting in rich and coherent responses. Demonstrating real-life applications. GPT-5 has an extensive array of potential applications across various domains. Let's explore a few examples. 1. Medical consultation. Animated doctor and patient in a virtual consultation. In the field of healthcare, GPT-5 can assist in medical consultations. By analyzing patient symptoms and medical history, GPT-5 can generate detailed questions for doctors or offer preliminary diagnoses based on a vast knowledge base of medical literature, aiding in faster and more accurate decision-making. Customer support. Animated customer and AI chatbot. GPT-5 can also enhance customer support systems. With its ability to comprehend and respond to complex customer queries, GPT-5 can provide more personalized and efficient support, reducing the need for human intervention and improving overall customer satisfaction. 3. Language translation. Animated multilingual conversation with GPT-5. Language translation is another area where GPT-5 shines. With its advanced language understanding capabilities and multilingual training, GPT-5 can facilitate seamless communication between individuals who speak different languages, breaking down language barriers and promoting global connectivity. Expanding possibilities with OpenAI Academy. OpenAI Academy is dedicated to providing accessible education and resources to individuals interested in AI technologies. By joining the Academy, you can learn the inner workings of GPT-5 and even contribute to its ongoing development. OpenAI Academy Virtual Classrooms. Through interactive virtual classrooms, expert-led courses and hands-on projects, the OpenAI Academy empowers you to unlock the full potential of GPT-5 and become a proficient AI practitioner or researcher. Final thoughts. As we have seen, GPT-5, the All-Bot, is a game-changer in the realm of language models. Its ability to understand, generate and assist across various domains has opened up a world of possibilities. Through the OpenAI Academy, you can embark on an exciting journey of discovering AI and shaping the future of this incredible technology. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Like and share.